Today I am with Motorola Moto G60s and we are going to check if this device comes with protective silicone case and a box set. As you can see right here, we can find this silicone case. It's very flexible, as you can see. Of course, I'm gonna try to put it on the phone, and it's actually very easy to make it. And this cover, the silicone cover, protects the screen. It comes a little bit above the display. We get good access to the USB port, cutout for speakers, for microphone, for 3.5mm headphones jack. There's also the fingerprint sensor cutout and the small bumper only camera right here. The buttons are covered with this hard silicone part. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.